Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today we will be learning the second part of the story of Abraham. We will also be learning our numbers and how to tell time. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Married. Married. The man and woman are married. Old. Old. The old man has a gray beard. Old. Age. Age. The baby ages to become a child, an adult, and an old man. Age. Fail. Fail. The boy did not study for his test. He failed the test. Fail. Succeed. Succeed. With hard work, you will succeed. Succeed. Success. Success. With hard work, you will have success. Success. Awesome job. Let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Luke chapter 1, verse 37. For no word from God will ever fail. Let's read it one more time. Luke chapter 1, verse 37. For no word from God will ever fail. Great job. Let's use our new words and read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 19. Abraham and Sarah were married for many years, but had no children. This made them feel very sad. Then, in old age, God gave them a son, and they called him Isaac. This made them very happy and excited. Whose son is the boy in the picture? What is his name? We can learn 3 important points from the My Precious Book story and our power verse. Number 1, God's word will never fail. Number 2, God fulfills all his promises. Number 3, God never forgets about us. Great job. Now let's learn our new English vocabulary words. Today we are learning numbers and how to tell time. Are you ready? 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. 30. 30. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. And the last one, 100. 100. Great job. Let's practice telling time together. Are you ready? Quarter past. Quarter past. It is a quarter past 12. Quarter past. Quarter till. Quarter till. It is a quarter till 1. Quarter till. Half past. Half past. It is half past 1. Half past. Before. Before. Before we start the meeting, we introduce ourselves and say our names. Before. After. After. After the meeting, we have lunch together. After. Early. Early. The boy likes to wake up early. Early. Late. Late. The boy woke up late. He will be late for school. Late. On time. On time. Please come to class on time. On time. What time is it? What time is it? It is 12 o'clock. What time is it? Great job. Let's practice telling time together. Are you ready? What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. What time is it? It is 8:30. It is half past 8. What time is it? It is 5:15. It is a quarter past 5. What time is it? It's 12:45. It is a quarter till 1. Great job! Let's listen to our dialogue and practice our words together. Lesson 10 Dialogue. Hi, Dan. What time is English class tomorrow? English class starts at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Okay, thank you. I will come early to finish my homework. Do you need help? I always come to class early. I will be there tomorrow, 7:30. That would be great. I will come a quarter till 8. What pages do you need help with? I need help on pages 17 and 18. No problem. We will meet early tomorrow morning and I will help you. Thanks! Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your numbers and also how to tell time. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!